Right then, what we're going to cover this week is something really quick and easy, which is from the Ottolenghi Test Kitchen Shelf Love Cookbook. It's the Smoky Marinated Feta. This is just a brilliant idea. I'm going to cover this in the Flavour Bomb playlist because this is a great way not to just use up feta cheese, but also to infuse oils. You can actually cook with oils as well, but nothing better than making this in advance so that you can make a quick snack on toast with sliced avocado, or even just sprinkle it on top of a salad, and you've got the dressing and the feta cheese all in one for just an instant Mediterranean salad. So this is covered under the fridge raid section, and we look at this, I just love the way you can get all of these sauces in advance, whether it's a pickle, sauces, flavour bombs. It's just something I'm really passionate about, doing condiments and things in advance, just spending that hour or two over the weekend preparing for the week, and you can just put things in your fridge and have it ready at hand. It is the best way. Things like garlic purees, turmeric purees, just things to do in advance, the way forward. So really interesting to see what your favourite things are, what you make in advance. Really good to put it down in the discussions below. But for me, absolutely love doing pickles and vinegars and even fermenting foods as well. So the ingredients you need for this, you need a decent extra virgin olive oil, of course. You need your feta cheese, garlic, lemon, or you can use preserved lemon, some flaky sea salt, paprika, chili flakes, you can use whatever chili flakes you want, bay leaves. Then of course you need an airtight sealed container which you can then label up. So it's really simple and easy this week.
Through the fields of our past, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue, and you are shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true, the difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh.
So here we have it, the Smoky Marinated Feta. Absolutely brilliant, great way. Just let it cool down slightly. I'm just now going to show you how you can make something with this, really super and easy. Got some little cute little flatbreads here, so I'm just going to toast one of these just in the pan here. Just going to the lemon juice here, which you can just add on a bit at the end. That's just nicely toasted. I'm going to simply just going to put a nice little salad, some tomatoes. Simply just put a little bit of this over the top. And just check that out, just for a nice little side dish. Absolutely brilliant. So let's just try this. Absolutely superb. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Also turn on your notifications, bing, every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock. Also please check out the playlist for side dishes. You can use this as a side, it can also be used as a flavour bomb. The marinated oil here, you can see that. Enjoy everyone, take care.